Moussaka. A main dish from Cyprus. Serves 4. You will need 20 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the oil. Step 2. Fry the aubergine, courgette and potato slices in the oil, turning the slices so that they brown but don't cook through. Leave them to drain on kitchen paper. Step 3. Then you fry the onions in some oil till soft and then add the meat and stir to break it up. Add the tomatoes, herbs, spices, seasoning and wine and continue to cook for about 25 minutes when the liquid should have been absorbed. Step 4. For the white sauce, melt the butter in a saucepan, stir in the flour and then add warm milk gradually, whisking hard to remove any lumps. Add salt and pepper. When it starts to boil, you take the saucepan away from the fire, but you continue stirring it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then add 25 cm stirring so that the eggs line the base with slices of potatoes, courgettes and aubergines. Spread the minced meat in a layer and cover it with another line of potatoes, aubergines and courgettes. Bake in a moderate oven for about 50 minutes with the white sauce, the top is bechamel, and sprinkle some cheese on top. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.